Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Now, I am really excited for today's video because I decided to do how to choose the best weekly spread in your bullet journal, how it can be perfect and everything. I'm going to give you some tips and tricks and how you do that. Now, the best bet in doing this is plan ahead of time. And what I mean by plan ahead of time, I'm going to show you the road to bullet journaling process. I have a process now and how I do things. And yeah, so that's what today's video is going to be about. So let's go ahead and get started with the video. I'm going to be showing you some examples of my best bullet journal spreads and my weakest bullet journal spreads. So you can get like a both taste of it. Like my bullet journal is not perfect by any means. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Some tips and tricks that you can do with your bullet journal and plan ahead of time. And what I mean by that, not planning your spreads or anything, but like plan when you want to do it. Friday seems to be my most inspiration days where I come up with the best ideas. So I just really like to think of the spread on Fridays. And Saturdays, I usually, if I don't have a idea on Friday, I usually think about it on Saturday. And Sunday is usually when I do my spreads. I talk to my friend and we do them together. Sometimes if we're not playing Animal Crossing, but those other days I like to do it ahead of time, and Sundays are when I pencil in the spread and actually do it. But I'm going to be doing spread with you guys, and that spread is penguins today for this week. I decided ahead of time your next. So basically what I'm trying to say is Friday you want to think of your idea for the spread. Saturday you can think about it more, or you can go ahead and get started on it. Sunday is when I actually do the spread. And so let's talk about playing the spreads you want to do. Here's an example of a spread that I'm very proud of. I came up with the theme of Christmas cats, and I did stickers and washi tape. So here's one spread. Another spread is elephants. If you see these stickers, that's when I talk to my friend. So here's a Christmas spread. I did not go with the Christmas theme for this year, but I went with mushrooms. I'm very proud of the spread too. It's very colorful. I like to have sometimes very colorful, and depending on the week and when it's busy, I like to go minimalistic. For that, here's my Animal Crossing spread when I got the Switch. I was very excited about it, and I just did an Animal Crossing theme. For that, here's your glance. But how do you plan your spread? Like, how do you, think in advance? Here's an example of when I did not think in advance. And it turned out okay and everything, but it wasn't, like, my cup of tea. And I wouldn't do this again, and I just wasn't very happy with it. But Instagram liked it. So, it's just one of those that it's like, I'm glad I did it, but I'm not really fond of it. So here's another spread that I'm very happy with, seasons and everything. So I'm very happy with this. Here's a spread that I'm very happy with. I did the Dutch doors technique for it, which gave me a lot more room for it. So here's a spread that did not turn out, and I'm not very happy with. Again, I got carried away with a galaxy theme, and it's okay, but I'm not very happy with it. If I could go back and redo it, I could, but I'm not very happy with it. So, and again, I'm not very happy with the monthly spread of February, but so here's my mood tracker But here's some spread that I'm very happy with, and I think it was busy this week, so that's why I went minimalistic. Here's a spread that I'm very happy with. One of my favorite spreads of my bullet journal, and this was the week of Valentine's Day, I think, and I was very happy with the spread. But one of my favorite spreads in here. So I did stickers, I went all out and everything. Here's some spread that I'm very happy with. My latest spread for last week. So for this week, I am doing penguins. This is my penguin spread for this week, and I'm just very happy with it so far. I'm penciling it out. I'm like, okay, here's another tip for you guys for your spreads, and it's basically it's off camera, but it's like spread totally. You want to choose second tip of the first tip is plan your spreads ahead of time. Like if you're doing Sundays or something, you can do your spreads that way. Second tip, you want to plan your spreads, and so third tip, how to choose a theme for the spread. Like if I'm thinking about it, or like say I want to do penguins, I am doing penguins, but say you want to have a color palette. Do you want to be colorful? Do you want to be minimalistic? Are you busy that week? Or if you're busy that week, you just need to jot something down real quick and not even think about a spread. Stay minimalistic for that one. But if you're not busy that week and you don't take the time you need, have a weekend or something and just plan out your spreads. That's how I've been doing it, and that's been working for me. The third tip that you want to do is choose your color palette. Now for this one, I'm choosing blue, black, and red. For this color palette, I'm going to do the boxes kind of like an outline of red or something, and just do. Now for the penguins themselves, I'm using this thick ballpoint pen, not ballpoint pen, sorry, I've been using ballpoint pen a lot, but this Sigma medium brush pen. It's this medium brush tip. So I will be doing that as well. So there's a lot into this video that it's just, I don't necessarily take the day or so to do the spread. I think of in advance. And that's the key word I want to stress about. If you think about in advance of how busy your week is. And then on Monday, I fill out the boxes and like what I'm doing that day. Or when I plan my days, it could be a whole entire different video. I don't technically use the boxes anymore to do to-do lists on that day. I usually use the weekly spread for video ideas or whatnot, or the video I'm doing that day. That's how I use the weekly spreads. But if I'm doing like a to-do list or something, I use sticky notes now. It just helps me visualize what I need to do that day. Instead of like sticky notes like this one right here. So I can do a whole video how I organize my day, but I just wanted to throw some tips out there for you guys how you plan your spreads ahead of time. That's the key word for today. Plan your spreads ahead of time. That way you can not worry about messing up your spreads in your bullet journal. And I usually take out the weekends to do that. So for the week ahead. And it just helps me keep on track. If you want to see more videos or anything like that, leave in the comments below. So right now, the best bet is to go ahead and do the spread for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video. If you want more videos, bullet journal videos, and everything like that, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be doing how I organize my day soon with sticky notes and Sharpies, and I'm going to be doing that video soon, so I'm really excited about that. Tomorrow's video might be how I add variety in my sketchbook, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, if you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below. Let's get started with today's spread. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to this part of the video where I actually do a speed drawing, or usually a bullet journal spread, which we're doing today. So some tips and how to plan your spread, or if you want to play a spread during the week or something, that's good too, but I usually like to use the days of Friday, Saturday, thinking of the theme of the spread, and then on Sunday actually doing the spread, and I've been keeping that up for the past few weeks. So I like to plan the spread on Friday and Saturday, and then on Sunday actually do the spread. Because some Sundays I talk to my friend, and that is tomorrow, but I went ahead and did the spread with you guys today, so feeling extra motivated and really excited getting back to videos. So yeah, so anyways, some tips on how to plan your spread. You can always look on Pinterest. There's definitely some weekly bullet journal themes that you can do. And I usually copy the spread from there, as you saw in the beginning of the video. And I just want to clarify, sometimes when I copy spreads and Pinterest, I usually take it to my own theme and try to incorporate my style into it instead of not copying directly from there, but just to take inspiration of what I can do for the spread. To get the perfect spread, I learned this the hard way, and I've wasted so many bullet journals, and before I actually have a successful one. This one, you want to sketch in pencil first. I learned that the hard way, and the reason I want to clarify that again is because I've tried to draw in pen, and that necessarily doesn't work out, and because you draw in a pen, you can't really erase your mistakes or anything. Now, bullet journals to me are the pretty pages and inspiration, and this is the pretty side of bullet journaling. Usually I use sketchbook for messy work, so this is just in place for that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. I really don't have any tips and tricks, or any more tips and tricks. Actually, never mind, I do. So the second tip in planning your bullet journal spread is color palette. You want to choose your color palette based on your theme. It makes it cohesive, and it makes it put together, I think. So for this one, I chose black, blue, and red for the color spread, because it is penguins. And number 3 is your theme of the weekly spread. Like, do you want unicorns, or do you want penguins, or do you want bears? You know, go with what you want to have in your bullet journal. You necessarily don't want to have what I have. I love drawing animals, so that's, you know, a tip for you. It's to choose what you want. And also, you want to consider the time of the year. Like, is it St. Patrick's Day, or is it Valentine's Day, or is it Christmas? Basically, based on the themes, like if you go to Pinterest, you can always type in January spread, or February, or any type of the month of Pinterest. Pinterest is awesome. I highly recommend going on Pinterest and look at bullet journal spreads and inspiration. There's lots of mood trackers on there, so go check that out. I'm actually doing a puzzle mood tracker for this month, and I'm really excited how my puzzle pieces are coming together for that. So yeah, so those are some tips and tricks, and I hope you guys enjoyed this long video. I enjoyed making it. I'm sorry if this video is late today, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video of me drawing the penguins. Those are my tips and tricks, and I hope it helped you in planning your pages and spreads better. And yeah, so guys, if you have any questions, by any means, leave them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer them, like what's the perfect bullet journal size, or anything like that, or something, or just leave a comment saying like the penguins or whatever. Give this video a like. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye, guys.